Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, click subscribe. I'd like to introduce you to another car we've got here at Rent this week. This is a 1968 912, finished in polo red. It's had a subject to a full restoration about 3 or 4 years ago. So full nut and bolt all the way through, paint, engine rebuild, etc. and interior. Well, I'll show you the inside in a second, but it's got a lovely black and houndstooth interior. Finishes off this car delightfully well. So give us a call for more details.